Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Top of the St. Patrick's Day. I got my green hat going here.
Top of the day to you.
Yeah. Oh, that goes at the end,
That's
doesn't
it.
it? Okay. And where can you find this at?
Bud, Key West at
You
.com.
Brought to you by
Jim's
Mobile Hobby Shop.
Mobile Hobby Shop.
The Cherokee.
Cherokee Nation. Cherokee people. Are you gonna fly it or just drive it?
Well, those wheels are loud.
Golly.
Good. Time for the auto gyro. Where's that wind coming from?
Kind of from the east. Kind of southeast. Very slight.
From our back.
Yeah, a little bit. Back right. It's very slight. You could touch and go anyway. I forget, you got flaps on this thing?
Yeah, but I didn't put them down this time.
Get it up in the air!
That's perfect.
Man, that thing will wake the dead, won't it?
Try some flap action this time.
Yeah, it'll wake the dead when it lands.
Yeah, it's a sudden stop. Little crosswind there, huh?
Yeah, that one was just flat.
Do a downwind.
Do a downwind?
Yeah, there's not much wind to speak of, but go downwind.
Which way's downwind?
Right to left from behind you. Just the opposite way that you landed.
What the wind?
Trying to lose some altitude here.
A little hot, huh?
Yeah.
You got plenty of runway, so.
Pardon?
You got plenty of runway, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go film something else. That is what they're trying to say.
All right, I'll be back.
So fast.
And we're back. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, there's my timer.
Well, timer's going off.
Full stop here.
Full stop, ladies and gentlemen. Full stop. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. And cut. Happy St. Patty's Day.
Hi, look at the Irish.